Hey everybody, this is my Sunday evening post-gardening, post-shower mode. Let's see, today I tilled my garden. Oh, I can't wait to get chilies and tomatoes in. I mowed my lawn. I did a lot of weeding. Oh, and I've been trapping mice. I've got a mouse problem outside, not inside, thank heavens. But I've trapped mouse number 13 and relocated it out to the open space where it can fend for itself against the owls and the coyotes and stay out of my yard. So I wanted to do one final video for you guys and with you. So I wanted to show you Flipgrid. Flipgrid it was the last step in the Girl Who Died on the Tracks online version, the Let's Give Them Something to Talk About activity that was online. I was hoping to see if it could possibly replace group discussions if I was teaching an online class, if nobody was in the classroom together, or if we had people in a classroom and people at a distant location in the same class. Could I get you guys into a group discussion online? And I do think it's possible. I still think it's possible. It's just a different dynamic. So right now I'm recording with Screencast-O-Matic. You'll notice I've got a headset on. I do recommend a headset. I think the microphone is better. It's better quality. And you can pick them up at Office Max and they're not too expensive. So let me take myself out of the picture here now and let me show you Flipgrid. When you go in, you want to set up an account for an educator. Okay, don't set up you're not a student, you're going to be an educator. You can get the free account. Let me log in. And here I am. So the grid is your classroom, and with the free version, you are allowed one classroom or one grid. So my classroom is you guys, EDU134, Spring 18. Let me click on that, and you can see that in this grid, I have three topics. I have the what was your prediction, a place where you could post your video. Kathy and I have videos posted in there. I have a discussion area for so what really happened. Here are the instructions. There's my video, there's Kathy's video, but you can see that Kathy's got her own little spot here. That's because I sparked it. She thought it was an accident. I sparked it so that any one of you who came in and said, yeah, I think it's an accident too, you could go directly to Kathy's video and then you guys could have your own little video chats. It's not in real time, but it's a fun way to be able to share things. And in a minute and a half, you could do a short presentation for your students, like how to use this grammar or how to construct this question. You could do that. So Flipgrid is a great little tool. All right, so let's go to the what really happened. These were the instructions. This was the code that you were provided. And we've got two videos posted. So if you want to, I'm looking at this as the educator, so I can see what you see, view as a student. So let's go to mine, view it, I'll view it as a student. So this is what you would see. And there she is talking. Okay, I'm gonna close out that video. And you see the big green button here? That's how you start your own video. Now I can't do that because there'll be a conflict with the camera and the microphone because I'm using Screencast-O-Matic right now. But you just click on that and it will give you a little screen. You probably saw that little screen pop in really quickly. Let me do that again. That little black screen. That will show you what your camera sees, and you can also then take a little selfie if you want to have a little selfie that goes with your picture. Me, I've got a little kitty cat here. Kathy's got her little selfie there. Flipgrid is a great little activity. It's a great application. So I'm going to close those out, and let me go back to my home page here. Let's see, that's what really happened. Let me close that out. Oh, I just want, there we go. I want where all of the topics are. So this is the home page for my grid. I'm going to start a new topic. And I'm going to call this one bye-bye. You have up to 1 minute and 30 seconds with the free version. Let's see, I'm going to do a few things with my font. I'm going to bold it. I'm leaving you a note. Okay, so I'm opening this topic for you. If you are so inclined, come into Flipgrid. I'm going to give you the link and just post a little goodbye. Just play with it. Try a little goodbye video. Now you see that I created my topic. Here's your code. Here's the link to that. So I think I'll use that one. I'm copying that one and I'm going to put that one in my Padlet. And so with that, oh, the other thing you want to do is you want to make sure that it is active, right? You don't want to freeze it. Here's where you get the link to share with your students. Share the topic. You can get the code. There's the flip code. There's the link, the URL. So you can share your Flipgrid with your students and let them have fun. All right. I'm going to say what a pleasure it's been. I hope that you post some videos in our little topic here, the bye-bye topic. And other than that, I will see you in Padlet, and then I will see almost all of you next Saturday. Bow, I'm sorry we won't be seeing you. Bye-bye.